First go to the file and choose open. Select this image, click open. Now take the quick selection tool and click on select subject. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selected portion. Right click on this layer and choose select pixels. Hide the top layer, select the main layer. Now go to select, modify and choose expand. Here set the expand by 10 pixels, click OK. Now open edit and choose fill. Choose content aware option, click OK. Go to select and choose deselect. Expose the top layer. Go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this logo PNG file, click place. Now you can adjust your logo in this manner. Let's see the final result.